Something that I hear a lot when I talk with people about Power BI and Fabric is it's so hard to keep track of what's available, what's planned, all these kind of things, because there's a lot of information, and often people have found the Power BI blog where Microsoft updates us regularly. It's powerbi.microsoft.com blog, and there you have now, the moment I record this video, the holiday recap, but you also have like the most recent articles that they published, but then still you have to read the whole blog. And what a lot of people don't know is there is actually a roadmap, and you can have a look into it, and I will show it to you. You can find it when you type in roadmap.fabric.microsoft.com, and you will get this page that you see on my screen now. And on the left you see like a navigation pane where you can choose the product, and there is an option to choose the product Power BI. So when I click on that, I get this information. And what are we looking at? These are all items on the roadmap, and we see the planned ones, so all features that are planned. At the try now, all features that have been recently released, or a list of all, and you see a filter pane. And if we click on that, we can filter by release status. This is planned or shipped. The release date is newest or oldest to newest, and release type public preview or general available, and release quarter if you want to look in that. And what you can do, I will not filter anything at this moment, is you can have a look like what is planned. And here we see, for example, Translytical task flows, and they are planned. And now you maybe think, but we already have Translytical task flows. Yes, but they're not general available. They're like in preview still. And when is it planned to become general available? Well, we can see Q1 2026. And then we can click on it and we get some more information about that feature. And if you wonder, why would I care if it's general available or public preview? As a consultant, I always advise my clients don't use things in production that are in preview. Don't do that, because things can still change. And especially in Power BI, for example, with the new card visual we have seen in the last year, that things like formatting changed, and then people had implemented them in like more than 20 reports at different clients. That's a lot of redo work, of course. So I tell my clients we should wait until general availability to really implement something. But if you are really curious about what is planned, and that's what I would do, is I go to the filter pane and I click on public preview. And now we see everything that's planned to go into public preview. So this is all the new stuff that is coming, in this case in Q1 and Q2 of 2026. And for me, for example, I see like table visual custom totals. That's something you read a lot. People are discussing this a lot, and that's something that will go into public preview according to this roadmap. But also new visual defaults for Power BI reports also plan to go into public preview in Q1. And when you look to that list, you get a quick overview what's going to happen. And if you look at the description, it's very minimal. So you don't get any additional information here, but you know there's something coming. It makes it easier to focus, because if you know there will be new table visual custom totals in Q1, you can already think about, oh, the moment that goes into public preview, I want to make some time to have a look into that. And maybe you look at that list and you think, oh, in Q1 there's nothing on the roadmap that's super interesting for me in my case. And then you also know that. So I think that's very valuable information. And you can stay updated on what is going on, what is the current development. It's not this mystery anymore that you have no idea what's going to happen, but you get kind of an idea what Microsoft is working on for Power BI. I will put a link for the roadmap and also for the Power BI blog in the description of this video. If you have any questions, let me know.